Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to fake big curly hair on hair that's naturally straight. I didn't use a curling iron, I didn't use a flat iron, just a blow dryer. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So to create this look, you will need some kind of texturizing spray, but I didn't have any on hand, so I made a really quick DIY sea salt spray. So obviously you're going to need salt. I also mix setting lotion with this, or any liquid mousse will work, avocado oil, and a conditioner of your choice. I added some water and I shook it up, and that's basically how I did it. So this is how the hair looked like before. It was really flat and straight, but I started off by using a spray bottle to wet it with water. It'd probably be smarter to do this like on freshly washed hair, but I was too lazy, so I just used a spray bottle. After the hair was already damp, then I applied the texturizing spray over top, and I applied a really generous amount. Then I just split my hair into 4 sections and I did 4 braids. This part is totally optional, but I did a little bantu knot at the end of each braid so the ends would curl. You don't have to do this, but I thought it would give me like a more voluminous look. Next, I'm just gonna blow dry the braid for like 1 or 2 minutes. You don't really need to do it for that long. When I'm done, I really carefully take the braids out because I don't want to mess up like the waves that I created, and then I'm just gonna start scrunching. And then to really like hold it in place and make sure the curls stay, I'm using a diffuser. You can diffuse straight hair, you just kind of have to do more work than if you were diffusing curly hair. But when I'm diffusing my hair, I'm using medium heat but like the highest speed, and you want to like shake it and flip your hair over. Do as much as you can to create volume, otherwise it will fall flat. So basically I'm just like diffusing my hair for 2 minutes, and then I'll turn off the blow dryer and like scrunch so the curls stay, and then I'll go back to diffusing it. And I just repeat this process over and over again until the hair is fully dry. And here y'all can see the waves are starting to form. It's really pretty. It's also really important to remember that you don't want to like brush or comb your hair when you're trying to diffuse it, otherwise all the waves and curls and stuff will just come right out. So keep as much texture in there as you can. And when you're done, you just want to style it to your liking so it doesn't look all big and crazy, and that's basically it. So yeah guys, that is how you fake big curly hair on hair that's naturally straight. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment, and always subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.